Hey guys, what's up? It is Beatrice here again with another video. This time we are cooking it up. Yes, we are having a seafood boil this evening. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how I prepare my seafood boil. So now you see my big, I forgot how many quarts this pot is. I got it from Walmart. I think it was like $30 and it gets the job done for me and my little family. But I already have like 2 or 3 eggs. I only had 2 or 3 eggs, and I really wanted to try it because I have been watching Beloved. Yes, I have been watching and getting my life from her. Okay, so I wanted to try some eggs. They're already in there boiling with the shell on. I know it's gonna be hard to get them off, but we'll work it out. I have a stick of butter and I'm dropping my corn in. Now, after that comes to a boil, I'm adding in some premium seasonings here. I got my wireless chicken bouillon cube. I'm adding some salt, some garlic, some cilantro. I love cilantro. Tell me your spice that actually kicks up your food a notch. Let me know. And of course, the Old Bay. I used the Zatarain's crab boil before, the seasoned one, and it made my crab legs super duper hot. The flavor was good, and if you know me, my tolerance is so low for the heat. So I like to keep it real southern, real garlicky, real savory. Now you're gonna see me prep my meat. Guys, we all know with raw food, you want to make sure your hands are clean. You're not touching your face. But we want to make sure that meat is clean too, okay? Now I have my shrimp here, and you see me just cleaning it off, washing it off, making sure we don't have any, of those little boo-boo trails in those. And we're going to season it down with the same seasonings I put in the pot, okay? I'm starting with my cilantro. I love cilantro. It goes on everything. Eggs, bacon, anything I want. And of course my garlic, my sea salt, obey, and a slew of other things. Okay, you just season it up to your liking and to your tasting. So I'm just gonna season that down and move my shrimp around just to get the seasonings all over everything. Alright, there you go. See me swirling around there. Now I'm going to give my crab legs a really good wash. I got these crab legs from Sam's. I think it's the 2-pound bag. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I really thought these crab legs were trash. By this time I've already ate them. They weren't trash, but they weren't the best. You know what I'm saying? When I was in there, they were low. They were just putting them out. But usually they're really good. And now I have these little small potatoes. I usually like the big potatoes, but I tried these little smaller potatoes and they were super duper good. Skin on everything. Drop them in the pot. They cook really quick. So now you see I'm just done washing my crab legs. I got me some mud bugs in there. Okay, crawfish, guys, crawfish, we call them mud bugs here. And I'm seasoning them down a little bit. And now I'm getting ready to drop them in the pot. But first, before I drop them in, I am pulling them eggs out because they have shells on them. And I want them to get all of that flavor. So see here, I am just dropping my crab legs in. Some of them broke off. I'm going to put all that in there because we want all that meat just nice and juicy and, cooked to perfection. My mouth is watering right now just watching it. My goodness. Guys, I usually let my crab legs and my crawfish cook for at least 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes to an hour. Just depends on how I am feeling. But I always drop my shrimp in last. I don't know how I lost that clip, but I drop my shrimp in last because we all know it does not take seafood any time to cook, and especially shrimp. And I don't want them hard. I want them nice and juicy. And now you see me making my dipping butter, my dipping sauce, my garlic butter. I have just a stick of butter in a bowl. I added my cilantro, my garlic, my salt, my peppers, anything in my Louisiana hot sauce. I'm really liking the taste of that. And I'm just mixing it up so I can enjoy my seafood boil. Okay. So, guys, just to let you know, it was really good. I'll put out a video later showing you my seafood mukbang. So keep a watch for that, and let me know if you really enjoyed this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. See you in the next one.